Today we're at Camlik Steam Locomotive Museum in Camlik, Turkey. It's a great spot. There's nobody here and you can just wander around. There are loads and loads and loads of old locomotives here which you can climb into, play around. There are some of the steam locomotives which have got old carriages connected to them, including some vintage first class. It's a fun little spot. And 50 of your finest Turkish lira, which at this time was about $3 Canadian or about 2 of your English pounds.